Today I'm going to be making one of my favorite snacks that goes well with wine, crab rangoon. It's very simple to make and very delicious. This is a very simple crab filling. You need crab, and I'm using actually fake crab meat, and it really works as well. Then I have cream cheese and some chopped green onions. That's it, 3 different ingredients. So I will mix 1 pack of cream cheese, probably an equal amount of shredded crab meat here, more the better. Again, equal amount of chopped green onions, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. Mix well, and your filling will be ready. Just to taste, make sure. It's really nice and creamy, but it has a touch of little bit of saltiness, and it'll go really well when you fry it. Here I'm using store-bought dumpling skins. You can get them at any Asian grocery store. Put a teaspoonful of the filling. Make sure that you use water to help fasten the skins together. Now, the trick here is, again, with any dumpling, you have to get the middle part and make sure it's completely sealed together. And a lot of the original crab rangoons, they'll use this sort of the, what do you call it, 4-corner square shape. This is good, but it's kind of boring. So what I do is I actually scrunch them together and make them into like little pouches. And when you fry it, it's really kind of really cute, and the top becomes like a flower. So I like it this way. Let me make a couple more. Make sure the middle part is scrunched together. And instead of going the square, I'm just going to scrunch it up here like this. And just tightly squeeze the middle. So as you can see, we have dumplings already. They look really pretty. I think the oil is ready too, so I'll start to fry them. Be sure to put it in with the top on top. You don't have to fry it for a long time because, as you know, everything is edible. So you just want to make sure that dumpling skin is cooked and to the golden brown. I think one is ready already. It's like takes a minute for it to cook, right? Okay, one is ready. So the final product is here. It looks really beautiful, and it's really nice and crunchy, and goes perfectly well with white wine. Let me try it. I'm using sweet and chili sauce to dip it in. Let me taste the top first. It's really nice and crunchy. I think you can hear the sound. Anything fried tastes good, right? But this tastes especially wonderful. I highly recommend you try it for your wine party with your friends and family. So, bon appetit and happy spring!